Too deep. I don't know where the current is going. It's like a waterfall here. Oh no, man, no. I must leave right now. Chiang Mai, biggest flood. Here we go again. Oh boy. This time the news said that it's like the heaviest flood ever in Chiang Mai City. I'm pretty nervous actually. It was very sad, because last week it flooded a lot, and right now it like flooded even more. It's like the worst ever that has ever happened to Chiang Mai. Just ride along until I'm long gone. I think the flood is like already come to the highway. The river is like inside, but it goes more even further. Over there, I think it's already flooded. I'm just gonna take a U-turn and check it out. Yeah, that's the new US Embassy. As you can see, very nice. Today is Saturday and it's like heavy traffic because of what's going on with the flood. They said like the biggest flood ever happened in 100 years. I wasn't born in Chiang Mai. I'm from Bangkok, but I came to Chiang Mai very often. Oh boy, where's the U-turn now? People, they were like preparing their boats, to fight through flood. I haven't even made a U-turn, and there's a flood already at the other side, as you can see. Man, I just washed my bike like 2 days ago. Yeah, whatever. Traffic is like crazy. I can't even go anywhere. If you plan on visiting Chiang Mai, maybe now is not the right time. Oh boy. Over here it never flooded, This is like the first time. Oh boy, what? Cặp rốt đây mẹ. Cặp rốt đây mẹ. Man, he just gave me a warning. It's like pretty deep. You can't even like go in the town, like it's too risky. Yeah. If you like live in outer Chiang Mai, not in the city, you better not ride in. But I don't know why I'm riding in right now. I'm just like automatic. Feel me? The railway station is at the front, and the bus station is like on to the right near the superhighway. Oh boy, look. And like the bus station and the train station, they are like all flooded. No. Last night, like today is October 5th. Last night, October 4th, it's like rains a lot, and the Ping River like goes up like way too high, so it flooded. And I just washed my bike. I'm gonna ride very slowly because I might splash like some other people or like get the current to their houses. Big mistake riding in here. Oh no, look. The current is strong too, as you can see. Look, there's a current strong. I'm not sure if it's gonna flood even more. The rain, like in the Chiang Mai City, it might stop, but around the mountain, it's like still raining. And like the Chiangdao province, like far away from the city. There's also a lot of water over there. You know, just basically anywhere you go at the north is all flooded, except for some area. Oh man, can I just get a pass through, please? Oh boy. What? I'm sorry. Like the alleyways is like flooded even more than the main road here. As you can see inside, the people. It's like very deep. It felt very risky, more than last week, to be honest. อ๋อครับได้พี่ขอบคุณครับ Just now she said I cannot enter anymore as you can see อ๋อขอบคุณผมไปแป๊บเดียวพี่เดี๋ยววนกลับ
พี่ลองไลฟ์ออกไปเลยใครอยากลองไลฟ์ไป
ครับขับช้าๆพี่ He gave me a warning that it's too deep I can't go in there anymore but just for you guys I'm just gonna whine a bit good thing I wear shorts today look at that too deep you cannot like enter there anymore as you can see it's like very deep boy oh no look at me oh good thing you know my exhaust is high just gonna ride back because I don't want to risk it just gonna ride slowly man look the current is very strong I don't know where the current is going the people like they are waiting like at the sidewalk if I was in this situation I would probably will be like very stressful but my house you know is far away from the city so it's not flooded but I feel sorry for people around here I feel sad for them maybe tomorrow I'm gonna come here and you know help them a little bit all right let's go see the other place this is like madness as you can see oh you see that car over there it already sank like half of it I'm just gonna keep riding oh boy I was supposed to turn left but damn over here it's like deep it never happened before like in the super highway road but like I say it's the heaviest maybe next time I shouldn't bring my bike I should swim in town this car is still going oh no ooh. Yeah it's deep like the motorcycle there that the engine already turned off I just gonna turn back right now because I think it's too risky and there's a lot of vehicle oh no that side is also flooded and super highway road flooded I'm just gonna ride far away riding back to Bangkok I'm just kidding you know I'm just gonna ride back to Chiang Mai right now they close like most intersections and most road due to like heavy flood on that road I'm just gonna make a U-turn and go to Mahidol Road it's the road that go to the airport as you can see at the front They blocked the bridge to go to Mahidol Road. But I'm just gonna go in. You know, play it at your own risk. If you want to go in, you can go in. As you can see, like the people, they park their cars at the bridge to avoid flood to their cars. All right, guys, I'm up in the bridge now. I can see flood everywhere. Like at the front of me is Mahidol Road. I'm just gonna walk there and see. And as you can see, at the left is a super highway road, the road that goes into Chiang Mai City. Look at the current. Oh boy. I wish this could stop, you know. It's like destroying everything, like the businesses in Chiang Mai, the people living there, and transportation as well. Look down there, like the current is very strong. If you want to know, like last week what happened, like the flood in Chiang Mai, you can check out my video. I got like 2 videos, one during the daytime and one during at night. This is probably going to be the last video I made about this year Chiang Mai flood. Oh, I saw some boat already. Boy, like, you know, this morning I heard the news, like it's not deep like this. But damn, the water comes fast. Maybe I must leave right now. And the water is like the water from the mountain, from the forest. So it's like this brown color. Oh boy. Oh man, Mahidol Road. Oh, over there, look. You know, in the morning it wasn't like this. I saw in the news. This is like Fort Ranger. At the back is the boat. I don't know where the water comes from. On the other side, it's very deep. See, it's like over here me now. As you can see at my back, it's like flooded a lot. And I parked my bike like at the back, at the bridge up there. But man, look. You know, if like I was gonna catch the flight to somewhere, my flight would be canceled. Probably I come like in the breaking news time, like the water goes like way too high. And there's a pickup truck over there. It's already sinking. As you can see, it's the same model as my truck. Well, over at the back there, as you can see, that's a gas station, and that's a Burger King. That's my favorite place to go. You know, grabbing a milkshake. Maybe not anymore. These guys, they are like helping people, like escaping the flood. As you can see over there. And as I'm walking in, it started to touch my knee a little bit. And the market over there is all synced. It's like a waterfall here. Over there is like a safe zone. The flood, like it like expands from the inner Chiang Mai City to like the outer part, the suburbs. If you're in Chiang Mai, you need to like be careful. Get away from flood as quick as possible. Grab your belongings. The water is like coming in high. I must leave right now. This is like the worst ever that's ever happened to Chiang Mai. This tells me that I should stop riding, trying to get in the city, because the flood, it already came outside like a lot. Oh no, man, no. This is like outside the city already. And this road over here is like so deep. As you can see, the motorcycles and that truck is synced. And like there's like many cars, like their engine is knocked off now. Also the motorcycle. I should leave right now. My bike is parked like on that side. Oh man, I shouldn't risk jumping. Oh, look at the water. It's pretty scary. Just gonna walk down there and then like go right up again. Man, walking back. Today is pretty sunny weather, but the sun couldn't even help with the flood. It still flooded more. There's like more cars came here to park. Okay, let's go. I wish the water like goes down quickly, you know. And I do wish Chiang Mai City recovers soon. Tomorrow, if I have the time, I'm gonna catch a ride to the city to help the people inside there. I'm not gonna ride inside tomorrow. I'm gonna catch a ride and then walk inside the city. Oh boy. Well, that's it for me for this video. I hope Chiang Mai recovers from the flood soon and hope that the water doesn't rise up more. Let's pray for the people here in Chiang Mai. If you want to see me in action again, please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.